Let's solve the next question, that is 49th question. 49th. The total number of students who opted for mathematics in the year 2005 and 2008 together are approximately what percent of the total number of students who opted for all three subjects in the same year? Okay, so for 2005 and 2008, the total number of students who opted for mathematics. So, number of students who opted for maths in the year 2005, let's write in this manner, 2008, which is equal to, for 2005 maths, this bar 15 is 15, and for 2008 that is 30. 15,000 plus 30,000, that is 45,000. Okay, then total number of students, that is number of students in all subjects for the same year 2005 and 2008, that is 2005 total is 5 Hindi plus 35 plus 15, 5 plus 35 plus 15 for 2005 plus for 2008 total is 25, and 30 plus 30, 25 plus 30 plus 30, so that is, here it is 35 plus 5, that is 40, here it is 55, plus here it is 30 plus 30, 60, 85. So 55 plus 85, that is 140,000. Okay, so the question is simple. Again, the question is, the total number of students who opted for mathematics in the year 2005 together are approximately what percent of the total number of students who opted for all the three subjects? So it means this 45,000 is what percent of 140,000? So the required percentage is equal to 45,000 divided by 140,000 multiplied by 100, as you have done in the previous case. So this 30 will go here, from this will go, it will be 450 divided by 14, that we can calculate very easily. 40, 14 threes are 42, 30, 30, then 14 twos are 28, 20, then 14 ones are 14, then 60, then 4, 32.14%. That is the answer. So let's see, because the approximate percentage is required, 32 here, the option 4 is correct, 32. Okay, one question is left, the question number 50. Let's read this question. What is the respective ratio between the number of students who opted for English in the year 2006 and 2008 together, and the number of students who opted for Hindi in the year 2005 and 2009? So this is again a simple question, because here we have to calculate the numbers and get the ratio. So question number 50, number of students who opted for English in the year 2006. So number of students for English is 2000 in 2006 and 2008 together, and the number of students who opted for Hindi in 2005 and 9. The number of students for Hindi in 2005 and 2009. Okay, so let's get the value from the bar. English in 2006. So English, that means this bar in 2006, that is 25. That is 25. English for English 2006 25, and English 2008 is 30. So for English 2006 is 25, for 2008 is 30. So this is basically 55,000. Okay, for Hindi 2005 and 9, let's see. For Hindi, this bar 2005 5,000, 2009 20,000. So for Hindi, 5 plus 20, that is 25,000. So since we have to get the ratio, so the ratio will be 55,000 divided by 25,000. So not required. From 5 we will divide. 5 5s are then 11. 11 is to 5. That is the ratio. Let's see which option is correct. 11 is to 5. 11 is to 5. The option 1 is correct. So in this way we have solved this simple bar diagram. We will see more example in the next class.